Hello, hope you're in the best of health. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Barn to make a website. Google Barn is the latest AI software to be released, and as the name says, it was created by Google. And the beautiful thing about Google Barn compared to ChatGPT, ChatGPT latest update is up to 2021 if I'm not mistaken, but with Google Barn it is very up to date as it was created by Google and it has all of their latest technology and information. So to create a website using Google Barn AI, all you'll need to do is sign up to barn.google.com, and you can sign up using your Gmail account. Once you have done that, you'll be led to this platform right here, and the website that I'm thinking about is one based around vegan dog food. And the reason why I'm going to create a website around vegan dog food is because at the moment vegan dog food is definitely trending. If you were to go onto Google Trends, you would realize that. So the first thing we're going to be doing once on Google Barn, what I want you to do is type in a prompt similar to this. As you can see right here, I typed in write an 800 words SEO friendly article on vegan dog food. Also include the advantages and disadvantages of vegan dog food. Then I tapped on enter. After doing that, you're going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, it comes up with the article. So just give it a few seconds. And you can see right here, Google Barn has come up with an article. And if we scroll down, you can read it and you can see that it is very in-depth. As you can see right here, what is vegan dog food? Vegan dog food is made from plant-based ingredients such as vegetables, fruits, grains, and legumes. It does not contain any animal products such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, or dairy. So all you have to do is scroll down, and if it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is simply scroll down, and at the end right here, you are going to tap on the three dots right where you see more. Then you are going to tap on copy. And if you would like to create a completely free website, all you'll need to do now is go onto Google Sites. And with Google Sites, you'll be able to upload or better yet create a website for completely free, and your website will be hosted on Google. So all you have to do once on Google Sites, you're going to tap right where you see blank, or you can tap in the top right hand corner where you see template gallery. And from there you can scroll down, and if you see a gallery that you like or better yet a template that you like, you can choose from that template. So let's say for example we'll start from scratch, so I'll tap on blank. After we have tapped on blank, you'll be redirected to this page right here, and all you'll need to do now, you're going to scroll down a bit. Then where you see content blocks, you're going to tap right there. So we are going to select this content block right here. After we have added the content block, we are going to tap right where you see click to edit, and we are going to paste the information that we have copied from Google Barn. As you can see it right here. After doing that, all you would need to do now is add an image or video, and you can get an image or video from a Google search. All you need to do is go onto Google and you could type in vegan dog food, then tap on images. After you have tapped on images, from here you could choose one of these images, or to go even more in depth, you could go on a copyright free website to download an image. But since this is just an example, I'm going to be using one of these images. So I'll simply tap on any one of these random images, then I'm going to simply save it. Let me do that real quick. So let me save it right here. After you have done that, you're going to go back. Then you can tap on the plus right here, then tap on upload. After you have tapped on upload, you'll be able to select the image. So let me select the image real quick. And you can see it right here. And again, you can extend the size of the image by simply pulling down on the box right here. So you can see that the image has enlarged. And all you'll need to do now is simply continue adding content. And to do that, all you have to do is go over to the right hand corner, then tap on pages, and then you're going to tap on the plus at the bottom right hand corner, and you would tap on new page, and from there you'll be able to add a new page. All you have to do is enter the page name, then tap on done. Then you'll go back onto Google Barn, and again you'll type in another keyword. And to find numerous keywords, what I would recommend you do, once on Google, let me go back onto Google right here. All you'll need to do is go back to all, and you're going to type in the keyword that your website is about. Then all you have to do is put in, for example, best in front of it. Then you can see numerous keywords that you can target right here. Or you can type in something else. Let's say I were to type in how, and you will see other keywords that you can target right there. So that's it. After you're finished, all you'll need to do now is tap on publish in the top right hand corner for your website to be live. And again, on Google Barn, I would recommend that you type in a very direct prompt. So the better your prompt is that you type in the Google Barn, is the better the information that it will deliver. So if you type in something that isn't straightforward, don't expect a straightforward and in detail answer. So if you typed in something that isn't straightforward and in detail, don't expect a So if you typed in something that isn't straightforward, don't expect a detailed answer. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.